Welcome back to the channel, folks. I do appreciate it. A little bit different today. We're going to order some wings at the weekend. 2 portions of wings, 2 cokes. €41.50, which is $45 or £35. Crazy amount of money. So today I'm going to show you how to make better chicken wings at home for under a tenner. Simple as that.
First off, let's learn how to cut the chicken. Really simple. 3 parts to the wing. You want to keep 2. You want to put 1 in the bin. Sharp knife, find a joint and cut straight through. Essentially what you're looking to try and do is get rid of the chicken hand. Nobody wants to eat the chicken hand. So next up you're going to add some pepper and some salt. Again, to taste, just throw it liberally on, it's nicer. Bit of corn flour or corn starch. Mix it all in together. What you do then, you need this set aside for 2 hours. Prepared some earlier, so here they are and ready to go. So just give you a view, the skin is kind of dried out a little bit. It's not as moist as it used to be. Bit of coating of salt, pepper. Top tip number 1, less moisture in the skin, crispier wing. So now the sauce, half a bottle of Frank's, white wine vinegar, measurements and everything at the end of the video, so don't worry about it. Salted butter, Worcestershire sauce, honey, some celery salt, onion salt, whatever you want your salt. So that's the sauce. Now onto the fry. So heat your oil up about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want it too hot, you don't want to burn the wings. And obviously just with your sauce as well, you just want to melt down the butter, bring it all together. So the colour I'm kind of going for here is almost like Oompa Loompa colour. Dodgy, fake tan, bright orange. You know your oil is hot enough when your wing starts to bubble and boil. As soon as it does, start adding in the rest of the wings. Top tip, if it's too overcrowded, do it across 2 pots. I'm using about 1.5 litres of vegetable oil here. Quick mix of the sauce and I can see it's a bit watery. So I'm just going to thicken it up a bit with some corn flour or corn starch, similar to making gravy or anything else. It just means that when they coat the wings it sticks to it a bit more, so you get more flavour. So I'm just looking at the wings now, they're nowhere near done enough. You want them really crispy, so you know they don't look ready at all. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take them out. This is after about 5 minutes of cooking. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to let them sit for about 5-10 minutes, 15 minutes even. And essentially what you're doing there is you're double frying them. So you're letting them kind of cool down a little bit, you're letting them drain a little bit. And what this does is it makes sure that you don't just burn the outside of the wings and dry them out completely. It's really important you don't skip this step. If you leave your wings in and you just cook them all the way through, likelihood that you're going to have really dried out wings. If you want them crunchy, crispy and tender on the inside, do this. So I'll put them back in, sizzling away. Going to give them another 5-10 minutes easily. I want them really crispy. In my humble opinion, there's nothing worse than wet, soggy, floppy chicken wings. I've yet to find a takeout chicken wing that arrives crispy. When you order wings out and you take them home, by the time you get them home, there's no way they're crispy. Make them yourself. They're nicer, tastier, crispier, better. So again, you can see here, they've really started to crisp up on the outside, which is exactly what you're looking for. You're looking for that orange glow from them. You should be able to see the oil crackling in the skin as well. And it should be quite firm or quite crispy to touch. Crispy wings. The cornstarch really helps to crisp up the outside of the wing. Some people do it, some people don't, but it really does help. Now they've got that kind of golden brown colour. So the wings are done, they're cooked to perfection. You want to get them out of the pan as quickly as you can. You want to dry them off with a little bit of kitchen paper, get rid of some of that oil. Just listen to this crispy deliciousness. So you're done. You got really crispy wings. You got unbelievably delicious sauce. You want to bring the two of them together. And I like mine really saucy. So lots and lots of sauce on it. Toss the wings in the sauce. And it's time to plate up. Again, thanks for watching the video. Really do give this one a go. Again, all ingredients and measurements at the end, so if you do want to follow it, it's all there for you. It's super delicious. Let me know how you get on. And yeah, until the next one. Thanks.